Discover the ultimate freedom with our selection of the best folding mobility scooters. Engineered for convenience and portability, these scooters offer unparalleled mobility for those on the go. Whether you're traveling, running errands, or simply enjoying the outdoors, our range of folding scooters provides compact solutions without compromising on comfort or performance. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding mobility scooters you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Metr Mobility M1 Lite, hailed as the number 5 best folding mobility scooters, offering unparalleled convenience and performance for individuals seeking mobility assistance. Crafted with a focus on portability, the M1 Lite scooter is a beacon of freedom for those with mobility challenges, enabling effortless outings and travel. Equipped with 2 removable 12Ah batteries, this lightweight scooter boasts superior performance, reaching speeds of up to 932 miles per hour with a remarkable driving range of 10 miles per full charge, while accommodating users weighing up to 265 pounds. Experience unparalleled comfort with its padded leather seat, adjustable to suit individual preferences, and an ergonomically designed U-shaped handle for optimal comfort and control during use. Safety is paramount with the M1 Lite, featuring a one-piece body design for enhanced durability and reliability, complemented by an emergency braking system and spring suspension for a smooth ride over rough terrain. Backed by a 1-year drivetrain guarantee and a 5-year limited maintenance plan, the Metr Mobility M1 Lite offers not just mobility, but peace of mind. Priced at $649. Meet the Atto Moving Life Folding Mobility Scooter, hailed as the epitome of innovation in mobility technology. This robust, full-size travel scooter transforms the way you travel, folding effortlessly to the size of a small suitcase. In less than 12 seconds, it unfolds into a ready-to-ride vehicle, making it quicker than finding your keys. With its lightweight design, the Atto can be effortlessly carried like luggage or rolled behind you, fitting snugly into the trunk of most vehicles. Designed for convenience, the Atto boasts a remarkable 10-mile range, ensuring you stay on the move day or night. Maneuver through crowds effortlessly with its impressive speed and agility, turning heads with its stylish design. Operating the Atto is a breeze with its user-friendly control panel, featuring speed control, LED display, and responsive braking mechanism. Plus, it's equipped with essential features like a horn, reverse switch, and a convenient USB charging port for your devices. When it's time to head home or retire for the night, the Atto conveniently folds away into virtually any storage space, keeping your living areas clutter-free. Priced at $32.98. Discover the iLiving i3, ranked as the number 3 best folding mobility scooter. Crafted with innovation and practicality, this scooter revolutionizes mobility for individuals seeking convenience and reliability. Constructed from robust aircraft-grade aluminum, the i3 boasts an astonishingly light 53-pound frame, ensuring effortless maneuverability. Its patented 3-step fold and unfold system facilitates swift portability, fitting seamlessly into your car, SUV, or closet. Never compromise on distance with the iLiving i3's extended battery life. Powered by heavy-duty lithium-ion batteries, it covers up to 14 miles on a single charge. Plus, with an optional second battery, extend your journey to an impressive 28 miles. Travel hassle-free with its airplane-friendly design, ideal for both domestic and international adventures. Safety is paramount with stability control features, including 4 wheels to prevent tip-overs. Experience ultimate comfort with its deluxe seating and practical features like LED headlights, taillights, brake lights, a basket, and a USB charger for your convenience. Priced at $1952. Introducing the Metr Mobility Max Plus, hailed as the number 2 best folding mobility scooter. Engineered for enhanced performance, this scooter can confidently accommodate up to 300 pounds, powered by two sealed 20 lead-acid batteries, delivering a maximum speed of 4.97 mph with a remarkable driving range of up to 16 miles per charge. With a ground clearance of 5.5 inches and a climbing grade of 10 degrees, it conquers diverse terrains with ease. Designed with utmost comfort in mind, its plush leather seat and adjustable backrest offer superior cushioning and support, ensuring a relaxing journey. The intuitive control panel provides real-time updates on speed and battery power, while the electromagnetic brake and handbrake guarantee precise control and enhanced safety. Equipped with headlights, brake lights, and anti-roll wheels, visibility is ensured for safe driving, day or night. Backed by Metro Mobility's 5-year limited guarantee and dedicated after-sales service, this premium scooter is priced at $12.99 US. Say hello to the iLiving V8, acclaimed as the premier folding mobility scooter. It redefines convenience and freedom for users seeking unparalleled mobility assistance. Crafted with precision from aircraft-grade aluminum, this scooter embodies lightweight sophistication, tipping the scales at a mere 40 pounds, batteries included. Its compact design, complemented by a two-step fold and unfold mechanism, ensures effortless transportability, making it an ideal companion for any journey. Noteworthy is its robust lithium-ion batteries, delivering an impressive range of up to 15 miles on a single charge, empowering users to embrace an active lifestyle without interruption. Moreover, boasting UN 38.3 certification, the V8 stands as a beacon of safety and convenience for air travel, adhering to stringent regulations with ease. Safety takes center stage with the V8's electronic stability control, intuitively reducing speed during turns, mitigating the risk of accidents, and enhancing user confidence. Elevating mobility to new heights, the iLiving V8 offers unparalleled performance and peace of mind, transcending limitations and enabling users to traverse the world with effortless grace. Experience the epitome of mobility with the iLiving V8, available at a price of $19.30 US. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.